Good morning, children. In today's English class, we are going to learn about dictionary skills. And under that topic, we are going to learn alphabetical order. So, children, take out your Oxford Ink Part 8 textbook and open page number 11. Children, do you know what is a dictionary? A dictionary is a book of words. It helps you spell words and gives you meaning of words. So children, whenever you come across a new word of which you do not know the meaning, which book will you refer to? Yes, you will refer to a dictionary. Now children, can you see a book on your screen? Yes, this is a dictionary. What is the spelling? DICTIONARY. Dictionary. So children, let's open the book and see. We can see a lot of words written, right? A lot of words are written on this book. Similarly, you can check in your own dictionary. Now we will see how words are organized in a dictionary. Children, they are organized in alphabetical order. So let's revise the alphabets quickly. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So children, we know that words in a dictionary are arranged in alphabetical order. What it means is that words that begin with A come first in a dictionary and the words that begin with Z come at last. Now let's understand this with an example. So children, you can see 3 words written on the board. The first word is bread. The second word, page. The third word is lake. Now we have to tell the order in which these words will appear in a dictionary. You can do this by simply looking at the word. Let me explain you. See the first word, bread. The word bread starts with which letter, children? It starts with letter B. Now see the second word. It starts with which letter, children? It starts with letter P. Now see the third word, that is lake. It starts with letter L. Now children, we have already learned the alphabetical order. So according to that knowledge, which letter comes first? The letter B comes first. After B, the letter L. And at last, the letter P. So we can say that the word bread comes first in a dictionary The word lake comes second in the dictionary and the word page comes at last. So this is the case when we have words which start with different letters. What will you do or how will you tell when you have words which start with the same letter? Let's see. Now children, look at these two words. The first word is sun. The second word is school. Now we have to tell the order in which these two words will appear in a dictionary. Now you might have noticed that these two words begin with the same letter S. So how are you going to decide which word will come first? Children, whenever the first letter of the words are same, what we do is we look at the second letter in the words. What is the second letter in sun? It is O. What is the second letter in school? It is C. Now tell me children, which letter, C or O, comes first in the alphabetical order? It is the letter C. Therefore, we can say that the word school will appear first in the dictionary and the word sun will come after school. Now children, open page number 12 and look at question number A. Arrange the words from the box below in the way they would appear in a dictionary. The words given are sly, good, great, caring, cunning, kind, loving, helpful. Now children, you have to arrange these words in a way they would appear in a dictionary. So children, these are the words given in our textbook. Now first we will see the first letter in each word. The first letter in sly is S. The first letter in the word good is G. The first letter in the word great is G. The first letter in the word caring is C. The first letter in cunning is C. The first letter in the word kind is K. The first letter in the word loving is L. And the first letter in helpful is H. Now tell me children, among all these letters S, G, C, K, L and H, which letter comes first in the alphabetical order? Yes, it is the letter C. It is the letter C. Now we can see that there are two words which start with the letter C, that are caring and cunning. So children, how we are going to decide which word will come first? So we know the rule that whenever the words start with the same letter, we check the second letter. So the second letter in the word caring is A. The second letter in the word cunning is U. Now tell me children, Which letter comes first in the alphabetical order, A or U? It is A. Therefore, we can say the word caring is going to come first. And then the word can. Similarly, children, you can do the rest as homework in the textbook itself and then send me a picture. Thank you.